guys, what is up? Breezy Aidan here, back with another shoe video. I haven't done a shoe video in a while, so, or it hasn't been a while, but I just thought it was time for another one. So I've actually been delaying doing the shoe video, so I've had this shoe for a little bit, but I've been delaying it. So anyway, no one likes long intros. I'm Breezy Aidan, and yeah, thanks for joining if you're new. So, as you see by the title up above, we are unboxing the Jordan International Flights. So I'm just gonna get them. I got these off GOAT, by the way. So as you can see, right here it says GOAT, and it comes in this little like wrapping. It's kind of messed up because it came in a package, but my dad also bought it. So we're gonna take this off. Ooh, and then so this is the classic International Flight box. It's the gold International and then the navy blue box. Just get it. And then these aren't mine, but oh yeah. So over here, these are size 11, and then it says Jordan 12 Retro International Flight. And yeah, so let's go ahead and open this up. So of course, same Jordan International Flight wrapping paper. It's the all the little places, Jumpman logo jumping from place to place. So these are Jordan 12s. I have done Jordan 12s on my channel before. I've done the Jordan 12 Michigans. So right off the bat, these shoes look super cool. I personally, the minute I saw them when they first released, I'm like, I gotta get them. So here's the shoe. Ooh, put that tongue up, man. Flex on the haters. So here's the shoe. It's actually really nice. Just like first glance, there's so many little things and then bigger things to look at in the shoe. It's like a really awesome shoe. So I just don't know what to go off of first. I normally always start from the side. So going off the side, this material here, let's brighten that. Yeah, boy. It's like a suede. Oh, no, I'm lowering that. Yeah, it's like a suede material. And then as you can see, those little, circular designs, it's like the clouds, like the cloud design Jordan. Oh, yeah, background on the shoe. So Jordan, when he went to Japan, Tokyo, Japan, he went off all the things he saw and put them into the shoe and designed the shoe, and that's why they call it the Japans. And then I really like this colorway too. It's like blue and white, and it's not just white. You got the red on the bottom, which is really cool. And then right here, you can feel it's like a leathery feel, which is cool. It's a white leather, so if you're wearing them, it won't be too hot. The sun's on it, not a black leather. And it has that little patterned design. I actually don't know what that went off of. And then over here, it kind of changes. So it goes from this design to then this design. It looks like the Adidas Boost, but it feels like it's more hard and sturdy type. And now we got the one, two, three, four, five, six lines going, and then going out here. So from that side, oh, also on this side, you got in silver, it says Jumpman right there. It says silver and Jumpman. Now going straight to the bottom. Bless you. What the? I don't even know English anymore. So you got the bottom with that little normal pattern design, Jumpman logo on the bottom, like all the 12s, and then it's just the classic 12 design. Nothing really special about the bottom except like red, navy blue, white, red. Yeah. So yeah. What I really like on this bottom though, if you can see, it's like this really glossy type color. I don't know. It's like this glossy type color, as you can see. And yeah, there you go. See, it's like this glossy navy blue / black color. And then, oh yeah, I forgot. So these on the tongue, you got the Jumpman logo. On the sides, you got this chrome / silver Jumpman lace holder that's on all Jordan 12s, but not chrome. I haven't seen chrome or silver on a Jordan shoe that much. And then, of course, this on the tongue, like it says on all the Jordan, it's TWOS. Still don't know what that means. Out of the 2 Jordan 12s I got, still don't know what that means. I need to go research it. And yeah. Now, going into the shoe, this is like one of my favorite parts. It's really cool. So, in here, I don't know if, yeah, right here, and more along inside the shoe, it's Japanese lettering, which I'm pretty sure says Jumpman, says all the same things. So I'm pretty sure that says Jumpman. We got the red Jumpman logo, but dude, back here it says Jumpman, the 23. Dude, this is my favorite part of the shoe. Like, because it's in Japanese. It says Jumpman. It's so cool. You see this on a lot of the Adidas NMDs where it has the Japanese lettering on it in some place on some of the NMDs. And then you're finally seeing it on the Jordans, which make it has that cool and aesthetic look. I don't know what aesthetic means, but yeah. And then here's the inside, which is really, really cool. And then the tongue, the sole, it's like it's red, and then it's red with this logo, with that logo, but in white, which is really cool. So I'll just go ahead and get the other shoe for you. There's nothing different. I know the Michigans, they were different, like one had an M, one didn't. These both have the Jumpman logo. So this is really, really cool. I love these. And there's just so much to look at in this shoe, but it's just, shoe test, smells good, comes in a good box, it smells brand new. And it just has that Jumpman logo, man. So that makes me just like so happy. In Japanese, like I'm so hyped about it because you've seen them all over the Adidas NMDs. I don't know if any other big shoe brand has done it, but the Jordan, one of the most hyped shoe brands like for a long time, still going on to now, finally has like the Japanese lettering on their shoe. That makes them way more hyped. And it's like a different culture into their shoe almost and spreading it. And which is also good because they're most likely going to get more sales too. So, we don't know what's going on, man. They could be just doing it for the sales. But, yeah, and just all inside, like, I'm going to count, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all through in the shoe, it's the Japanese lettering of Jumpman, which is so cool. It's just those little details that your boy Aidan loves. Sorry. But anyway, that's pretty much the shoe. They're both the same. They're both really good. One more look at the shoe. Inside. Front. Look at that Jumpman logo popping. This. And this, and that little Jumpman logo right there, and then the bottom, and the inside. So guys, I do hope that you enjoyed the video. It's Halloween season. Hopefully I can get you guys with another shoe video. We'll just have to see. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, like the video, share to all your friends, because we're growing. We're almost at 80 subscribers, and I hope we get 100 subscribers by the end of 18. Hope you guys enjoyed another shoe video. If you want more, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends. Peace.